nice.
No, okay. We'll just be chilling.
I know. Just come back here, I guess. Oh, sorry.
This is cool.
This is cool. Secret Atway. Where are we going to? Is this gonna drop us off in across Main Street? Nice. We're walking over to Matterhorn. No, we're cutting over to Matterhorn. So we have to cut through all the crowds because the shows are actually crazy. The crowds are insane. So we're over here walking to Matterhorn to skip the parade crowds. It's kind of packed for a Saturday night, but I guess that's to be expected.
Only reason I know is that.
We're looking at a 35-minute wait. Matterhorn is one of my favorite rides, so I was really excited that we were able to get on this before park closing. I also have some hacks to share with y'all about this ride specifically, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, the hack for Matterhorn is to ride on the left side. When you ride on the left side, it's a lot faster and it has way more thrill. Trust me on this. The wait time was posted at 35 minutes, but it only took us 15 minutes.
Piernas dentro de un
Okay, so the wait time was posted at 35 minutes, but we got on in 15. It is honestly such a hack to come before the park closes, like 2 hours before the park closes. You'll be able to catch a ton of rides for very low wait times. There is low-key some strategy when riding some of the rides, like for Matterhorn, for example. Ask them to ride on the left side of the ride, and the ride will be a lot more thrilling. So if you love thrill, ask to ride on the left side of Matterhorn because there's more drops, it's faster, and I feel like it's just a little scarier. So if you like an adrenaline rush, definitely ask for the left side. That is my hack for Matterhorn and for the night. We're walking over to Toontown now because the Mickey and Minnie just reopened and it is a 10-minute wait. So it's basically a walk on, and I love Mickey and Minnie. I actually want to live in their little town. That's true.
is Disney's Grand California Hotel and Spa.
Of course, I just get a
By the state's natural wonders and features the arts and crafts style. The Disneyland Resort Hotel.
Riding the monorail is the best.
Here and returning later today.
50 years ago, it'd be 76.
We were waiting for our food, so we had to make a detour at Cathy's Cookies. Y'all need to try Cathy's Cookies and get the milk if you haven't. This milk is so good and fresh, and it really complements the cookies. The cookies are so good and soft and chewy. Look at this. They are falling apart. Like, what? That is unreal. So good. Oh my gosh. It literally melts in your mouth. So peaceful. 20 minutes left. Is the park closing? Absolutely no one. I love it. Such a fucking stay till closing. It's so worth it. Pirates of the Caribbean is closed. So depressing. I love pirates. Okay, so now that the park is closing in 20 minutes, we're actually gonna catch Indiana Jones at a 25-minute wait. So that's pretty good, considering Indiana Jones is always like an hour or more if you don't have the fast pass. All right, Indiana Jones is 25 minutes. Yay. Let's see if it's actually 25 minutes. I'm gonna time it. Literally very limited people in line, so that's good.
Glittering gold, it is yours.
We just got off of Indiana Jones. It was so fun, and now the park is officially closing. I'm so sad. Actually, the park's technically already closed. I think it's like 12:10 or something. But it was such a lovely night, and Disney always looks as stunning as ever. But yeah, good night on day one at Disney.